Hi everybody, BlockTech Eve here. Hope you've had a great week. And in today's analysis, we're going to take a quick look at Bitcoin. And we are also going to take a look at the state of the total cryptocurrency market. We'll take a look at the total chart. And because of the uh, increase in price action that we've been seeing over the last few days, it seems a lot of people are believing that it's possible we are turning around and that this is a sign of a reversal for Bitcoin and for the cryptocurrency market. However, I am not quite convinced just yet that we are turning around for good. I think this could be a very good play to perhaps liquidate longs, just as if the market is overly bullish and there are too many longs, then the price could wick down quickly to take out those over leveraged longs. And the same with shorts. If the market is overly bearish and there are over leveraged shorts, the price action can wick up just to take out some of those shorts before it then carries on back downward. So what that would look like is something like this, a very bearish situation indeed. This massive candle that we see over here in the 3-day time frame in the total crypto market cap. And I think a lot of people might have opened a bit of short positions thinking that we would definitely reach this level over here. So what we could see is we could see a kind of a dead cat bounce from here just to get rejected at this level again before we carry on lower, or in worst case scenario ultimately back to here. How low we're going to fall, not entirely sure. We could also drop just underneath the support before we start a new bull cycle, and that is ultimately our goal at this point, is to accumulate for the start of the next bull cycle. However, I just don't think that we are quite at a reversal yet, because until we have taken out this level, which is now our resistance, I wouldn't quite be convinced yet. If we can start closing some candles above this level over here in the total market cap, then I would be convinced that we are setting up for a reversal. But right now, where we are right now, there is just too large of or too much risk, and that we could get rejected by this level and then carry on lowered. I don't know, do something like that. There could be a million different ways that this plays out, but this level of resistance over here, I think we can see a lot of selling pressure. So that is similar, very similar setup to what we are seeing in the Bitcoin chart at this point. And this is what I'm going to summarize with. Over the weekend, there is generally an increase in volatility over the weekend. However, there were a few people calling for 29,000. If you guys have been following me for a while, you'll know that we had our target on 37,000. We have been trading slightly underneath that. We did make a wick all the way back down to about 32, I think. But however, it wouldn't be surprising if, some of the shorts here are liquidated and then it seems like a convincing reversal just to get rejected at this level over here again at 40,000. Maybe do make that wick to 29 before we carry on upwards. And this will also complete the head and shoulders pattern. Of course, if this does end up to be the reversal, then that is great. That would be really good. The only thing that I would be cautious of is this resistance level over here at 40,000. I think I would definitely be more comfortable to say that our reversal is confirmed if we can conquer the 40K resistance. If we could do something like that, then I would definitely say, yes, we are ready for another bull cycle, another upward cycle. And this is very similar setup to the total chart. Also a very important key resistance level that we have in the total crypto market. But until we take out this zone over here and start closing some candles above this zone, I would still be a little bit cautious for this area over here. That's it from my side, guys. Have a great weekend and follow here for daily updates. Check out our channels for educational content and content on much more coins. Cheers.